rubies.
I brought 2.
Yay!
I brought 2.
We got flashlights!
Should we buy 5?
Why the hell would we need 5?
No, 2. Do you get one as well? Look, do you get one? Double flashlight. Come on.
Are we seriously going back to that kid? That hurt my eyes. Oh, I'm flying!
Make sure you don't leave the flashlights always on because it drains the batteries.
Yeah.
Wait, how do we even get up there again?
A flashlight.
Should we bring a flashlight?
What?
We need. Do you think we should buy a backpack?
I mean, originally I had one, but you told me to put it in storage.
Oh wait, no. I mean, I can just buy a new one. But how are we supposed to get in there?
What, back to where we were?
Yeah.
It was up at where the cables were for the zipline stuff. Bro. I'm thinking of him. Here.
Hello? You?
Yeah, I'm still in water.
Alright. It's so much easier to get up now. With the flashlights.
This process
You still
takes...
in the water?
Nah, I'm out.
Yeah, it's so much easier just filling yourself up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stand on the pillow so I don't, like, you know, go off.
Ah.
Come on, stop there, darling.
It's good.
Right, now we have to...
Do this.
Now we have to... Oh, he's like smooth clearer. Let's go.
I can't speak English right now, huh? Whee!
Oh my god.
Oh no! No!
Just swim.
That's what I'm doing!
Oh my god, it's terrifying.
Can't be that bad.
That thing is terrifying. It can't get out.
I got scared, it made a noise. Dude, we have to
That
go.
is terrifying.
We have to go in there.
Yeah.
No.
It's scared of us. There, go, get back. Get back. Get back. Oh, never mind. It's not. Oh.
I think we just it off.
Oh my god. I thought.
Oh my god.
That was terrifying.
No. what the hell? But cheer up!
I'm dead! It killed me!
And you expect me to go in there?
You need to go in there, it's not that scary, there's no jump scares. Literally just stand there, flash the flashlight and he's killed you.
Oh my god!
Go in now. Are you dead?
No?
Go in!
I'm scared.
I die! Now, flash the flashlight. Haha, it's you, and like, and he went... And then he jump scared me. No, he didn't it just killed me. Go in.
Did he jump scare you or not? Make up your mind.
I want you to this, yeah, for shits and giggles. Like, I need to see the other PMA.
I don't know where he is.
Just stand in the walkway where I was.
I don't know where he is. I can't find them. I don't know where he is. No, that is terrifying.
Do you want me to come?
Yeah, please.
I'm coming.
No. I hear him, but I don't see him. Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm gonna listen choke in my life.
What? You cut off at the end.
I'm losing tracking my control on second. Let me open my doors and I move my
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
I can't get up.
What do you mean you can't get up?
I am.
Oh!
Coming.
Oh my
I'm
god!
here. I'm here.
Dude, hurry up!
What?
He jump scared me. No, he made it like he was gonna jump.
Bro, where is it? I want to just see this guy again. This guy's funny.
He's scared. I think he went to the right.
No, he's coming. Wait, look him on. Yeah, he's coming. Yeah, he's coming. Look at the map.
The map.
Look, go to the left on your control. It's a map and there should be a red.
No, I've only got a compass.
Yeah, how about we just like... Come on. Lady first.
What?
Woohoo! I see
He
it.
just turned back round.
Come on, let's follow him. Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm not. Go. I'm out. You get scared if you just don't flash the light at him. Come on.
Don't like this.
Don't be scared.
I don't like this.
I see. Yeah. You better run.
Let me out!
Oh, he's 10 murderers. 10 murderers.
He turned murderous and he killed me.
I don't like this.
Hello?
Hello?
I really want to see your POV because all I heard was you. Ah!
I'm scared.
Yeah, just die and just stop recording.
Oh. Hello. I brought my torch. No. Hi.
Come on, don't be scared.
Hey, buddy.
I died 2 times.
You sound.
Yeah, he is.
I don't like this.
He probably doesn't want any intruders in his base or home.
I'm scared.
Please?
He's just looking at me.
Are you outside?
No.
Then go in.
I am in it. He's just looking at me.
Go at him.
No.
Yes. Come on.
just went.
Well, go in there and just run.
I am in.
Well, run at him.
Ah!
Do you want to come? Do you want to come?
I'll be okay.
Do you want me to come and help you? Do you want me to come help you?
I think I'm managing.
Alright.
Did you die?
Never again. I am
I really want to
sweating.
see your POV. Oh, let's go over here.
I screamed. I've never
Are you still
sweat
recording?
so much.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Stop recording and refresh
I
the
have
recording,
never
please.
sweat so much in my damn. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I don't really know what I'm doing for VR intros, but you know what? Outros. But we're just gonna pretend I do know what I'm doing. So the person I was playing with, he's currently not online right now. But his user will either be inserted here, or I am going to put it. I'll probably do the same thing. But I'm gonna put it down in the title, because you know I'm just a cool bean like that. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah. Bye.